Hi, I'm Casey Atkinson from Willie Driving School here in Logan, Utah. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the basics of driving a car. First things first, you have the steering wheel. When you're driving, keep both hands on the wheel and stay focused. Look ahead. Don't look right in front of the car, but look well out in front of the car so you can see what's coming. You also have a gas pedal and a brake pedal. Now you don't need to use 2 feet. Only use your right foot for these pedals. Also, you need to know if you're going to drive a stick shift or an automatic. That way you can practice with that. Now while you're driving, you want to follow some basic safety tips. First thing is you want to know exactly what's around your car at all times. So to do that, you need to check your mirrors, this mirror, your side mirrors, and also you need to check your blind spots. That's the area to the side of the car you can't see with your mirrors. So when you're turning, you need to glance over your shoulder, look over to the side over there, and make sure there's no cars or people over there. Basically, when you're driving, safety comes first. Always focus 100% of your attention on the road.